My dear brothers and sisters, there comes a point in life when you understand a simple but powerful truth. No one is coming to rescue you. No one will hand you confidence, success, or purpose. And in that realization, something shifts inside you. You begin to see that your growth is your responsibility. Your mind, your awareness, your knowledge, these are the tools that will shape your future. Education is not limited to classrooms, degrees, or exams. Real education begins the moment curiosity awakens within you. When you start questioning everything, not just the world around you, but your own potential. Who are you becoming? What are you capable of? How far can you go? Many people believe learning ends when school ends, but that belief quietly limits their growth. The truth is, learning never stops. The moment you stop learning, you stop evolving. And in a world that is constantly changing, standing still is the same as moving backward. Every day, new ideas are created, new skills become valuable, new opportunities emerge. If you are not growing with the world, you slowly fall behind. But the good news is, you don't need perfect conditions to grow. You don't need expensive courses or ideal circumstances. All you need is a decision, a commitment that every day, no matter how small, you will learn something new. It doesn't have to be big. It could be a new word, a new concept, a new perspective. But when you do this daily, those small efforts begin to compound. They reshape your thinking, strengthen your confidence, and sharpen your vision. And confidence, real confidence, doesn't come from appearance or approval. It comes from understanding, from knowledge. When you educate yourself, you gain more than information, you gain control. Control over your decisions, your reactions, your direction in life. Of course, this journey isn't always easy. There will be days when you feel tired, distracted, or unmotivated. Days when comfort feels more appealing than effort. And in those moments, you are faced with a choice. You can choose comfort, or you can choose growth. Comfort feels easy, but it keeps you the same. Growth feels difficult, but it transforms your life. The people who succeed are not always the most talented. They are the most consistent. They stay curious even when it's hard. They understand that every day is an opportunity to improve, even if it's just a little. So start small. Don't overwhelm yourself. You don't need to change everything overnight. Just promise yourself one thing, that every day you will invest in your mind. Because when you change your mind, you change your life. There is a quiet difference between those who only dream and those who achieve. It's not luck, background, or intelligence. It's the habit of learning. Those who succeed never stop being students. They remain open, adaptable, and willing to learn anything. And that mindset changes how they see the world. When you educate yourself daily, your perspective shifts. Things that once confused you begin to make sense. Problems that once felt overwhelming become challenges you can handle. Because knowledge removes fear. Think about your fears: failure, rejection, uncertainty. Now imagine facing them with understanding and skill. They wouldn't feel as powerful anymore. That is the strength of self-education. It replaces doubt with clarity. But growth isn't just about learning new things. It's also about letting go of what holds you back. Your beliefs have been shaped by your surroundings, your experiences, and other people's opinions. And sometimes those beliefs limit you. So ask yourself, what can I unlearn today? What fear can I release? What mindset is holding me back? Growth is not just about adding knowledge, it's also about removing limitations. Replace doubt with curiosity. Replace excuses with effort. Replace I can't with I will try. And always remember, consistency matters more than intensity. You don't need to study for hours every day. Even 20 to 30 minutes of focused learning can change your life over time. Because success is not built in one moment. It is built in small, repeated actions. Every page you read, every skill you practice, every idea you explore, it all adds up. And one day, you will look back and realize how far you've come. There is something powerful about growing quietly. No applause, no recognition, just a personal commitment to becoming better. That is where real change happens. When you educate yourself every day, you build a stronger relationship with yourself. You begin to value your time, your energy, and your future. You become more intentional. You stop wasting time on things that drain you. Instead, you focus on things that build you,